Hey there, folks. Ever find yourself curious about why some guys seem to effortlessly draw women's attention? Well, you're in for a treat as we dive into the exciting realm of high-value men and the 7 golden rules that make them irresistible to the fairer sex. From embracing authenticity to the power of responding over reacting, we're about to explore the secrets that can turn your dating game around. So grab a comfortable spot and prepare to uncover the keys that could have women naturally gravitating towards you. Let's embark on this eye-opening journey together. Rule 1. Embrace authenticity. In a world where people often put on masks, being true to yourself can set you apart. Authenticity is a powerful magnet that draws people in. Imagine if you were at a party and you met someone who was refreshingly real, didn't sugarcoat, and expressed their genuine thoughts. You'd be intrigued, right? Authenticity shows you're not afraid to be vulnerable, and that's an irresistible quality. Rule 2. Value your time. Think about it. When someone's time is limited, it becomes more precious. By showing that you prioritize yourself, your time, and your passions, you send a strong message. Picture this. Instead of constantly chasing after her, you have your own exciting pursuits, hobbies, and friends. Suddenly, you're not just another guy vying for her attention. You're the high-value man who's too busy living life to the fullest. Rule 3. Harness the power of scarcity. Remember that feeling when something is rare and you just have to have it? That's what we're aiming for here. Become the rare find in her life. Just like that sought-after item that's hard to obtain, she'll start craving your presence. This isn't about playing hard to get, but about genuinely showing that you're a gem she'd be lucky to have. Rule 4. Show unaffected confidence. Confidence is magnetic, but unaffected confidence is a game changer. Imagine being immune to manipulation and standing strong in your convictions. When you show that her actions or words can't easily sway you, she'll see you as a pillar of strength. You're the guy who's in control, and that's undeniably appealing. Rule 5. Use playful wit. Laughter is a universal language, and a witty sense of humor speaks volumes. Imagine being able to lighten the mood, find the humor in situations, and share a laugh. It's like creating your own secret connection. Wit is not just about cracking jokes. It's about being smart and engaging, making every conversation a memorable experience. Rule 6. Constantly improve. Life is a journey of growth, and when you're on that journey, you become magnetic. Imagine sharing your progress, goals, and aspirations. Whether it's hitting the gym, pursuing new skills, or reaching for your dreams, your drive becomes infectious. People want to be around those who are evolving and inspiring, and that's where you stand out. Last but not least, Rule 7. Stay informed and engaged. Being knowledgeable about the world around you is like a passport to interesting conversations. Imagine discussing current events, culture, or even sharing interesting facts. It's like inviting her into a world where every interaction is thought-provoking and engaging. And there you have it. The 7 rules that can make her beg for your attention. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, but about enhancing the best parts of yourself. Embrace authenticity, value your time, wield the power of scarcity, exude unaffected confidence, use playful wit, constantly improve, and stay informed and engaged. By following these rules, you'll become the high-value man who captivates, intrigues, and leaves her craving more. If you found these rules helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay tuned for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep being the best version of yourself.